Welcome to this week's video. Today, I will share with you a very important healthy lifestyle. When autumn and winter season comes, the human body changes in many ways. Many people have this experience. The body feels tired, and the skin itchy. What is the reason? It turned out to be a symptom of emotional weakness. After the autumn, the weather turned cold, and the leaves gradually faded. Often, many people in this season will have depression, irritability, and other emotional changes. Why? It turns out that, at the bottom of the human brain, there's a gland called the pineal gland, which secretes a kind of melatonin. This hormone can seduce people to sleep, making people blue and depressed. Only sufficient sunlight can inhibit the secretion of melatonin, but after the autumn, the light time is reduced, and human emotions will be low and negative, cause emotional weakness. At the same time, due to the reduction of sunshine, the temperature is gradually decreasing, the flowers and grass are dead, the dying environment often causes sadness and depression. If you encounter something that doesn't go well, it can easily cause depression. Scientists have done research. When people are in a good mood, some beneficial hormones in the body, such as enzymes and acetylcholine, will increase secretion, so that blood flow. Nerve cell excitability can be adjusted to the best condition, which is conducive to physical and mental health. On the contrary, if depressed and sad all day long, it will make these beneficial hormone secretion disorders, visceral dysfunction, and cause stomach cramps, hypertension, coronary heart disease, and so on. In order to get rid of these emotional weakness, here are some suggestions. Have enough sleep. Try to get to sleep before 10 o'clock in the evening, and go to bed early and get up early. If it is possible, you can sleep for 10 to 30 minutes at noontime. Eat more good mood food. Certain foods can improve our mood by boosting serotonin production in the brain, releasing energy and making us feel alert and motivated. A diet high in these foods can make a huge difference to how we feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. Flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, peanuts, almonds, cashews, and, in particular, walnuts boost serotonin production. Essential fatty acids increase serotonin production. Omega-3 fatty acids found in oily fish, evening primrose, and flax oil are helpful. Eggs contain crucial amino acids, and the essential fatty acids needed to make serotonin. Baked sweet potatoes, mushrooms, corn, broccoli, spinach, and soy products all help stabilize serotonin levels. Poultry, turkey, and duck in particular, contain tryptophan, which boosts serotonin production in the brain. Try this happy smoothie. Cacao and banana both boost serotonin levels. Blend together 2 teaspoons raw cacao powder, 1 banana, 100 milliliters soya milk, half a teaspoon maca powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a pinch of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon coconut yogurt. Be positive and optimistic, and be willing to help others. Because of this state of mind, blood flow and nerve cell excitability can be adjusted to the good state. To be tolerant, because a person who is harsh will often cause nervousness, vasoconstriction, and elevated blood pressure, which will cause the heart and physiology to enter a vicious circle. Relax your mind and body, and do more outdoor activities. Walking in nature can enhance the body's breathing and blood circulation. It also has good nutrition and regulating and calming effects on the nervous system. Relaxation can reduce the sympathetic impulses, rest the body, and help sleep more effectively. Now I introduce some nutritious food for this season. The temperature in this season is getting cold and cold. In this season, people's mouth, nose, skin, and other parts of the body have different states of dryness. Therefore, you should eat more foods that enhance the body's resistance and immunity, while eating more nutritious and juicy foods. Here are some recommended nutritious foods for everyone. Flax seeds food. Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 2 cups old-fashioned rolled oats, 3 tablespoons ground flaxseed, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup fat-free milk, 1 cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon raisin, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1/4 cup coarsely chopped almonds. How to make it. Bring 3 cups water to a boil. Stir in oats, flaxseed, and salt. Reduce heat to medium-low. Cook for 6 minutes or until tender, stirring frequently. Stir in milk and raisins, stirring every 30 seconds. Divided oatmeal among 4 bowls. Top with blueberries and coarsely chopped almonds. Black sesame seeds porridge. The black sesame seeds are a great source of healthy minerals. You can find it toasted or can be toasted before use it. Then, you can make your delicious black sesame porridge. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons toasted black sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons flour, 1½ cup of water, ½ a tablespoon salt, 1/2 raw honey. How to make it. Toasted sesame seeds. Blend the toasted black sesame seeds with 1/2 cup of water for 1 minute until the mixture is smooth. Add 1 cup of water to mix it again for another minute. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a pot. Mix it. When it boils, keep stirring over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until it bubbles. Lower the heat to a simmer. Keep stirring for 3 to 5 minutes. The porridge will become shiny. Add ½ a tablespoon salt and mix it well. Add raw honey. Put the date and pumpkin seeds, or pine nuts. It's done. Tremella soup. Benefits for the body. Excrete heat from the body and maintain blood. Ingredients: Lycium 10 grams, tremella 15 grams, 5 red dates, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. How to make it. Clean the tremella, then put them in water softening. Put the tremella in the pot, add water and stew for about 20 minutes. Add lycium and dates. Continue to stew for 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat and hold for about 30 minutes. Add a teaspoon of raw honey before eating. Steamed squid. This dish is light taste and delicious, suitable for people with weak spleen and stomach, diarrhea and edema. Ingredients: about 1 kilogram of squid, 3 to 4 slices of ginger, a little salt, and wine. How to make it. Remove the viscera from the squid, wash it, spread it with salt and wine, and marinate for a few minutes. Slice ginger, put them on top of the fish, and steam in the pot, then complete. Now introduce some very delicious porridge. Nutritional porridge. It's good for blood, maintain the liver, and skin. Ingredients: lily 15 grams, ginkgo 10 grams, 10 of red dates, 1 cup of stock rice or brown rice, 1 teaspoon raw honey. How to make it. Add 12 cups of water into the pot. Put the stock rice, lily, ginkgo, red dates into a pot. Add 12 cups of water, stew about 30 minutes, then turn off the heat. After cooling, add a teaspoon of raw honey. Then ready to eat. Mulberry porridge. It's good for the liver, kidney, blood, and eyes. Ingredients: mulberry 50 grams, sticky rice 100 grams, a teaspoon of raw honey. How to make it. First, crush mulberry for use. Washing the rice, add some water into the pot to cook for about 30 minutes, then turn the heat small, add the mulberry, stew about 10 minutes. After cooling, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, then ready to eat. That's the content of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.